Okay guys, so now that we have a ad driving traffic to our site, hopefully converting, pushing them to a free plus shipping page or a discounted product page or a time limited, time bound product page, we want to make sure we start capturing the individuals that left without buying. And the way we do that is we go back to Facebook Ad Manager and we click on conversions. And conversions is going to be a way to retarget consumers. I'm just going to call it retarget consumers. It's going to allow us to retarget the individuals that we want to that have not basically purchased a product from us. And that will allow us to drive an increase in sales. And retargeting is actually one of the highest converting ads that we can put out there. Now, when we set this up, it's very similar to what we did last time. I'm going to make sure we click here though on the conversion section. This is pulling information directly from our pixel, and we can choose any of these. We can choose people that have just gone to the page, have added to the cart, have initiated checkout, so on and so forth. And these are red right now because there hasn't been anybody that did that. But if we're retargeting the individuals that added a cart, for example, see any activity from this conversion. But when it starts converting the people that have added it to the cart but not checked out, we can start targeting them specifically to re-encourage them to go back and check out again. And that audience will be built directly from the pixel and the individuals that come in. Now, if I'm going to change this to just the United States, once again, I'm in Thailand right now, so it keeps popping up as Thailand. So people in the United States, I'm just going to keep this very broad because we already narrowing down just the people that have added it to the cart on your page. So we already have a very niche target, and you don't need to go any further down into customization. Daily budget, I'm going to throw another $5 in there and then run this ad continuously starting today. So I just keep this going nonstop to get people to convert. So very, very simple advertisement when it comes to the setup of the pixel and who's going to ultimately go into the store. Now, I prefer with these ads actually a carousel because we can give more products and information and entice them to look even more at the products when they come back. So I'll do a carousel ad, and a carousel ad is basically an ad that allows you to have multiple pictures. As you can see here, this is an ad I ran before. It has multiple pictures for you to put different products and different links in place. So basically I'm going to set up a carousel ad. You can change the images here, anything for your image library you can put in, and that will change the image on the side. You can do more and more, and each one of these can have its own URL, and as they scroll through, they will have different URLs they can click on. We're going to call this Kitchen Up Store, and then we also want to change this from Learn More to Shop Now. And basically, you guys can fill this out with anything you want. Orange peeler for free. No, we can change it to the title and the text and the headers, anything we want, and we can have multiple images, multiple products with multiple links. See, as you go through, you can change multiple ones and add more and more images to this advertisement. So you can add images, you can add product, you have a lot more selection, and people already know your store and are aware of your store at this time, so providing them with more context and more product that is available will be helpful when it comes to building your cart size and getting them to convert. Because they've already been to your cart, they've already added products, now you're enticing them with more information. Now the other thing you can do is say something here like, I'm going to go back to the first one. Instead of orange peeler, you can say get 30% off with coupon, and coupon get 30. And what that basically does is allows you, and you can put it up here as well, it allows you to get them enticed, because the coupon you gave them on their site originally was 20% off. Now you're offering 30% off their entire order with a different coupon. You go into Shopify, coupons, and you add get 30. And when they click through, they can just type in get 30 on their cart and buy. So they already wanted to buy from you. They were about to. Now you're giving them a 10% additional discount to pull the trigger and converting that final sale and getting their email. So I think this is a great way for you to ultimately retarget your consumers that come to the site and have left and abandoned the cart at different stages. And you can play around with what stage you ultimately want to retarget them at, whether it be add to cart, whether it be landed on the page, so on and so forth, and see which one of your advertisements are converting the most. And I would check this over and over and over. Shut ads off that aren't working, turn and accelerate ads that are working, and build a combination of your lead-in ads, your traffic ads, and your conversion retargeting ads to build a funnel of marketing that ultimately drives sales for your store. So guys, that's retargeting in a nutshell with Facebook. You can also retarget with single image, single video, and slideshow, and so on. But ultimately, I think carousel is a great converting methodology for individuals that have added it to the cart and have not converted. So this is retargeting directly within Facebook. I'll have an additional course later on with AdRoll. You can do the same thing, but they manage your retargeting for you. So I'll give you a quick overview of that. But this is retargeting with Facebook using the Facebook pixel.